To withdraw money from a digital wallet, start by opening the wallet on your mobile device and signing into your account. It is crucial to have verified both your mobile phone number and ID beforehand, as this is a requirement to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, typically found in the second tab, and click on the Convert option at the top right. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert, such as Ethereum, and then choose the desired currency to convert it to, like USDT or Euros. After converting your cryptocurrency, go to the Market section, usually located at the bottom middle, and click on Payment Method at the top. Choose your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer, and then find a suitable offer by scrolling through the available options. If you haven't verified your ID, you will be prompted to do so. Once you've found a good offer, click on Sell to proceed, which will take you to an escrow page. On this page, enter the amount you want to sell, as well as the amount you want to receive in your preferred currency. You will also need to provide your bank account details and start the verification process, filling out all the required information. By following these steps, you will be able to transfer the funds and withdraw money from your digital wallet. The website will guide you through the process, so simply follow the instructions to complete the withdrawal.